YouTube, it's me, Caleb with Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums, and as you can see, there's a box in front of me for a Hoover Tempo. Just went to my local Ace Hardware and bought it for 74 bucks. And that's basically the same design as that wind tunnel right there. But you open it up here, show you up about the box. There you go. This is only the third vacuum cleaner I have ever purchased, brand new. Sure does. Make sure. Yep. Comes with a brand new bag in it. Brand new filters and all. Then you got all your. So now, what you do, other than pulling the handle back off, so you set this thing up like this, like so. Then you take this end of the hose here, which will go up to here. There's a little locking mechanism. You push down and twist on. Now it is locked. Then you take the bag cover off, if you would please too. Push down on the handle. Take a screwdriver. You will have to get into this little baggie here. So, start off. There is supposed to be a little nut that goes on the end of these, but for some reason, let me double check on my wind tunnel. Yep, I don't know where those are at, but you know, they're knocking down a coat hanger. Things are fine. I don't really care. See? I don't know what I just knocked out. Screw it. I'm going to be saving all the packaging, because I absolutely have no idea if I'm going to be completely keeping the machine or not. So, you would then reattach your crevice brush if you took it off. Whoop. Something like that. Then you take your hose. You wind your clip back up. Then you would take your hose. And here it is completed. Brand new clean brush roll. In case you're wondering, is a model U5140900. And then basically just build, like I said, off that old wind tunnel platform. So you got your two motor filters on the side here. You pull this down, and there's your motor filter. Push back in. I believe, I'm going to double check, these are bag type Y. Yep, so we're good. I'm good here. I have quite a few wind tunnel based vacuums. So, stay tuned and I'll do a run of it when I can.